What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after you wake up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Do you make your bed every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and attend meetings.
What time do you get home?
I get home at 6 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and relax.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you take naps?
Sometimes on weekends.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I love coffee.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
What do you drink with dinner?
I drink water.
Do you eat meat?
No, I'm vegetarian.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Maria.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live alone.
How often do you see your family?
I see them every weekend.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, we talk a lot.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do your parents live nearby?
Yes, they live close to me.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and watch movies.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch it every night.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun.
Can you play an instrument?
No, I can't.
Do you go to the gym?
Sometimes, yes.
What games do you like?
I like board games.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I prefer sunny days.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Is it cold today?
Yes, very cold.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a coat and boots.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, I like it.
Is it raining now?
No, it's dry.
What season is it now?
It's spring.
Do you go outside when it rains?
Only if I have to.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, very much.
Have you been to another country?
Yes, I've been to Spain.
What's your favorite city?
I love Paris.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I do.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, many times.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside.
Where do you want to go next?
I want to go to Italy.
Do you take many photos when you travel?
Yes, I take lots.
Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, especially nice ones.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Do you like English?
Yes, it's interesting.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she's nice.
Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, I try to.
Do you study at home?
Yes, after school.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn English.
Is learning fun for you?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you work?
Yes, I have a job.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you have a boss?
Yes, I do.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
Do you like working with people?
Yes, very much.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love it.
Where do you buy your clothes?
I buy them online.
Do you use cash or card?
I use a card.
What do you usually buy?
I buy clothes and food.
Is shopping expensive?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you go to the supermarket?
Yes, every week.
What do you buy at the market?
Fruits and vegetables.
Do you shop online?
Yes, often.
Do you like sales?
Yes, I wait for discounts.
Do you spend a lot of money?
No, I try to save.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I feel great.
What do you want to do today?
I want to relax.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
What do you love doing?
I love painting.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, very much.